unbox my new camera with me. So I decided randomly about 2 hours ago that I was going to restart my YouTube channel. And my best friend's husband works at a rent-a-center and hooked me up within 30 minutes of me texting her about it. Right, like I was saying, he hooked me up within like 30 minutes. And holy crap. I haven't had a new camera. Like, I have a couple other ones that are like new to me, obviously, but I've never had my own brand new one. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So it came with a lens, another lens, and then the camera body, and then the case. Also, don't mind my appearance, for one, or for two, the fact I sound like I smoke 4 packs a day. I don't know what the heck is going around here, but it's not for the weak. Also, I moved the box so you guys can actually see. Comes with a strap that I will never use. Super cute. Also, this is the T7 EOS Rebel by Cannon. A bunch of unimportant paperwork that I also will never look at ever again. And a battery. Does this shit come with a charger? Because my ass needs one of those. Here's one of the lenses. Also, this one's like so much nicer than my other ones because my other ones are a little bit like outdated. They still work fine and they serve their purpose and everything. But I finally decided to buy one because I've been taking pictures more. Like I said, I wanted to do my YouTube channel, restart that up for some reason. Because I have like really bad social anxiety, so I'll probably be embarrassed if anybody ever watches this shit. There's this. This shit's fancy. And it's so much lighter than my other one. My other one's a Nikon D5000. Oh. Apparently I don't know how to look at shit. Let me fix this. And the last thing I'm gonna unbox is this little lens here. I have to charge the battery because it's dead. I also hope my mother doesn't see this because I make bad financial decisions. Oh my gosh, this is fancy. Oh my. I might have one like this for my other camera, but there's that. Fancy. Anyways, that's that. And I may or may not see you again.